Good day, sir, ma'am. My name is Mabel R. Mendoza, 32 years old. I am single. I live in Barawa City of San Fernando, La Union, Philippines. I have 4 brothers and 2 sisters. I am a college graduate with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Management. I took also food processing in Cebu. My religion is Baptist. I work as a domestic helper here in the Philippines for 2 years. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, cooking, washing and ironing clothes, and gardening. I work also as a sales and marketing staff. I do love also taking care of children by giving them nutritious food and vitamins on time, bathing them every day, play with them, tutoring, and love them as my own family. Sir, ma'am, I am a good person, honest, trustworthy, and responsible. Sir, ma'am, please do hire me as your household helper. I promise I will do my best to perform my duties and responsibilities well. I promise to abide your rules and regulations. Thank you and have a nice day.